Start with a piece of plywood approximately 8 inches by 16 inches. Use a micrometer to measure the channel in your table saw and use it to set the rip fence. Cut a piece of hardwood the width of the channel and slightly less than the depth. Trim it to match your plywood. Set a spacer below the runner to elevate slightly above the table and use CA glue and staples to attach the plywood. Clamping a block to the fence helps keep everything aligned. Then make a cut all the way through the plywood. A piece of 1x material will work for a rip fence. Use a square to align it with the cut you just made. Attach with CA glue and screws. Leave it long so it can be cut to a perfect fit. Now you can clamp a touch-off block to your rip fence and measure from your sled to make the perfect tenon.